Hello everybody, this is David T. Flint, aka Fermi from 1976 here. So as you can tell by my voice, sound a little bit better, so my voice is getting better as possible. So yeah, in this video, I'm gonna build a NewRay 1/48 scale P-51 Mustang WWII plane. So I'm just gonna do a review a little bit. So here we go. So front, back, top, bottom, side, and the other side. So yeah, that's pretty much what I had to say. So anyways, I'm gonna do a time lapse. So here we go. It's 3, 2, 1, and start. Alright, so as you can see, there you have it. I finally made a 1/48 scale P-51 Mustang model kit. So I'm just going to review a little bit. So here we go. So I'm just going to take off the stand. As you can see, there are opening and closing landing gears. This one is a propeller. It does spin. And these wheels do move. As you can see, and yeah, like I said, those wheels do spin. And yeah, alright, so I'm just going to close the landing gear. And then put the stand back on. Yeah. Well, that's pretty much all I have to say. So anyways, it's me, Stephen T. Flint, aka Freeman from me in 1976, signing off.